works like this. Whoever's name is in here is going to get to come down and ask me 3 questions about who might be in there, and they have to only be yes or no questions. Okay? After I answer the 3 questions, the student is going to try and guess who's in there. Once the guess is made, the person's going to say it into the microphone, and then the student gets to take the rebel head off. Okay? Let's see who it is. Oh, looky here. Where's Abigail Calderon? Where are you, Abby? Where are you, Abby? Come on down. Well, hi. Today. Good. You ready? High five to the rebel. All right. Turn your face, everybody, so that they can see you. You might need to take your coat off for this. You gotta have a cool brain to think real hard about who it might be. Mr. Keller, would you take her coat from him? She needs, oh my goodness, that's heavy. She definitely needs some brain power here. All right, brain power, brain power, brain power. Okay, you get 3 yes or no questions for me. What's your first question? It's a yes or no question. She asked, is it a female? The answer is no. Question number 2. I hear some suggestions from the crowd. Do you want to phone them out? Who would you like to phone? I want potatoes! Luisa Sosa. Give her a suggestion for a question she can ask. Come on down.
Wow.
Do you have an idea for a question?
Thanks, Luisa.
Does he work here at school? No. One more question. Is he a friend? He is a friend, definitely a friend. Are you ready to see who it is? All right, start by taking off the hat. Let's take the hat off. Now, I would like you to take off the rebel head carefully. Don't break their nose.
I want to fill everyone in on a little secret. This is Abby's father, Sergeant David Calderon Hernandez. He's been with the Army since 2002. The Calderons found out that they were pregnant just 2 weeks before he shipped overseas on his first deployment to Iraq in 2004. He returned in 2005 after 13 months, and Abby was born just a little while, while he was gone. He then again was deployed to Iraq in 2009 for another year, around the time Abby started her first year of school. After being reassigned to a new military post in Colorado Springs, he then was deployed to Korea for another year-long deployment in 2012. He was stationed in Fort Campbell, Kentucky in 2012 after his return from Korea, and he got to enjoy a few years in our homeland before being activated for yet another deployment again in 2016. This last one being his shortest of 4 deployments. He has served as an 88 Mike, which is a truck driver. He supplies our troops with what they need, and even has to ride on top with a 50 caliber machine gun to protect themselves at times. David is a sergeant in the U.S. Army and is stationed in Fort Campbell, Kentucky, serving with the 2nd Brigade, 101st Airborne Division of the United States Army. Welcome home, Sergeant. join me